In this video, I'll show you how to calculate the area of any shape in AutoCAD using a quick and accurate method. Before checking the area, make sure your shape is completely closed because open objects cannot return the correct measurement. If your shape is made from separate lines or arcs, select them all, type join in the command line, and press enter to combine them into a single closed object. To confirm everything is connected, click on one segment and make sure the entire shape is selected. Next, type properties or prop in the command line and press enter. With the shape selected, the properties palette will display detailed information, including the exact area of the object. You can also view other useful values such as perimeter, length, and geometry details. This method is perfect for calculating areas in architectural plans, engineering drawings, and land layouts with precision. That's how easy it is to calculate the area of any shape in AutoCAD. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more AutoCAD tutorials, and thanks for watching.